Hello guys, today's a bit of a different video. I ordered around $1,000 worth of clothes from Zara and we're gonna go pick them up and then try them on and see what fits, see what doesn't. And yeah, let's get it. Okay, so I'm picking up the big order. I bought 14 items. I bought like 3 pants and the rest are like tops and things like that.
There you go.
That's all of it?
Yeah.
Okay.
You probably did multiple orders and they're in like...
Yeah, I did 3 orders. Okay.
This is probably 2 and that's 1, okay?
Okay, thank you. Does that make sense that everything would be inside these 2 boxes?
Maybe they're like small items.
Yeah, I guess it's like, I guess everything's folded too. So yeah, hopefully everything is in there. I haven't shopped for clothes properly in years. I just wear like any clothes that I find. Sometimes like I wear my dad's clothes and stuff like that. Or like I wear gifts that people give me and like, yeah, I need a big upgrade. So it's a lot of money and I feel like there's still a lot of things I need to buy, but we're gonna slowly build a good wardrobe for me for the near future. I want like a timeless wardrobe. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, the count is right. Okay, so here's a quick breakdown of everything we got. I got 3 pairs of pants. I got 2 tank tops, so 1 of each color. A couple of linen t-shirts. Oh wait, I think I got 4 pairs of pants. Okay, so there's 4 pants. Another t-shirt, 2 like knitwear type of t-shirts, a white linen shirt, a sort of crew neck, and a brown cardigan. Okay, so like one of the main reasons for this order was because I got 2 pairs of Birkenstocks. So I got this pair, the Boston Whites, and these are the second pair, the brown sandals. Okay, so we'll start first with the pants. Hopefully I got my sizing right. I'm not too sure. It's the first time I do a big order like this. Now, these are like suit pants, but they seem to be a bit loose on me. Yeah, I'm not rocking with these. Why are they so like crunched up? They're a bit loose on my waist. These are made big and this was the smallest size they have. Okay, let's actually try them on one of the tank tops. Okay, that's something, right? Oh, this one is hard. This one is hard. I like this one. I like this one. You know when you buy something and you instantly know? Okay, so far the 2 tops have been really good. The tank top as well as this. I think this might become one of my favorite pieces. All right, let's try these. So I hope these are good on the waist because I really want a pair of these light pants. Oh, that's perfect. These are perfect around the waist. Oh, these are nice. These are nice. I'm rocking with this fit. This fit is hard as shit. This fit is hard. What are we saying? I feel so different. Like, who is this person, bro? I haven't dressed nice in so long. Like, what the fuck? This is a cropped t-shirt. So this is my first time trying like a cropped boxy shirt. I'm hoping it's not too cropped. Like, I don't want to look like that. You know what I mean? I could have maybe even gotten a large of these and tried it. I think I'll do that. I'll also get a large at this one, but I don't know, it's a vibe. Even if I don't wear it out, I can wear it inside. So we're gonna try on the black tank top. Should be good. Good. These pants are staying for sure. These are absolutely fire. Okay, let's try these. Oh, this feels good. Oh yeah. Oh, he's absolutely done it. Oh, he's absolutely fucking done it. How do they look? Oh, Jesus. These pants are perfect. This is exactly what I've been looking for. These pants feel so nice. Now let's try maybe this. Oh, that's good, bro. That's good, bro. What are you saying, lads? What are you saying? So these are the only pairs of linen pants that I got, but I need way more linen in my closet for this summer. See, the issue with this one is I don't like how tight the collar is. Like, I don't like when the collars are this tight. I wish it was a bit wider. Let's try these. Is that the last piece? Oh, That's it. Okay, so this is the only piece that is not from Zara. This hoodie, it's from a website called Picante. I think they're based out in London. This hoodie was way too expensive, but I like it. So yeah, but I don't know how I feel about these pants, to be honest. I don't know about this. Okay, so that went way better than I expected. Officially, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items out of the 14 that did not work out. So here's what I'm keeping. I'm keeping a pair of white linen pants, because I think in summer these will come in handy at some point, especially if there's any events that I need to go to. I feel like this will come in handy for sure. This brown cardigan, this is new for me. I never ever wear brown. I bought these brown sandals, so I needed something brown to match, and this could be an option. I like how it fits, but I feel like I can't wear this with a lot of things that I have so far, so I'm gonna need to buy other things as well to hopefully match with this. But it's really good. I really like it. And then this one also really looks good. Again, I don't really wear these colors ever, so this is kind of new for me, but I really liked how it fits. The tank tops, I've just been needing tank tops, even if it's just to sleep with. Like I don't even have any tank tops that I can ever wear, so yeah, these are beautiful pants. Their texture is super nice. They feel really good and they fit me perfectly, so there's no complaints with these ones. They're very versatile, and again, I can use these with a lot of different outfits. Black pants, these are fire. And then I'd say this is probably the most me type of piece. Like, this is what I like to wear. This is kind of like laid back but also formal. I can wear this out to places, so yeah, I think this will become one of my most used pieces. Everything I have here is a bit more formal to wear out, because I found myself really struggling whenever people would invite me out somewhere. I would have nothing to wear. Like, everything that I have is laid back, casual sweatpants. Like, I always wear shorts and a hoodie. Like, that's what I usually wear. So I would always never want to come out, partly because of that, because I had nothing to wear. So this is going to help me a lot this summer. This really made me want to do it a bit more too. There are some things in here that I kind of want to order in different colors and in different sizes too. Like this shirt, for example, I kind of want to try it as a large and not just medium, because it is kind of a small cropped shirt. So maybe if it's large, it's going to just look a bit better. But yeah, I'm going to try to shoot clips for IG with these fits. I tried making a reel like that one time and it came out kind of all right. I wish I had a better filming space. Like, my room is a bit small. This kind of video is making me consider like fully getting rid of my bed, because I can maybe like get rid of my bed, put it in storage, and get a futon or something like that, like a little sofa that I can just sleep on, because I don't really care about sleeping on a bed like that. So yeah, I kind of want to get rid of this bed. That way I can buy some equipment like lighting and just have it look and feel a bit better, because this was way too awkward for me to shoot like this. But yeah, anyways, I'm rambling now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna return all of these probably today or tomorrow, and that would bring the total down to $700 successfully spent at Zara. My wardrobe is fully empty right now, and there's a lot of things that I need to throw out as well, because I really never ever wear, so I'm probably gonna donate those. So anyways, if you've made it this far, that's amazing, because this video is it wasn't really comfortable to shoot, so I don't know how it's gonna come out. But if you've made it this far, thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think of these outfits. Please like and subscribe, and I will hopefully see you next week.